Matt, man, and he's telling me all this amazing stuff right now about this shop, why he started it, why it's continuing to run here, why it's literally where it is, and the things he wants to do. So I'm gonna let y'all just be a fly on the wall.
Pressure's on now. Drew caught me in a little bit of a rant here, but we're excited to be in Southwest Philly. We've had a lot of visitors come through and some roll their eyes. They say, oh, it's a nice place to start, it's cheap. We're exactly where we want to be. We want to be making parts that are going to outer space, that are supporting modern autonomous vehicles, defense applications. We're gonna introduce my business partner. John's the guy that actually makes the parts, but at the end of the day, it supports our customers.
And very fittingly, check out the shirt. It's amazing, but this is right here in Philly, yo. This is not like Philly suburb outskirt where they say they're Philly. I had to call them and I was like, yo, I got my luggage out here. I need you to come outside. I'm from the hood.
You say that, Drew. I think John's car is probably unlocked, man. We're good. Part of what we want to highlight, and this is where Drew caught me ranting, is that cool stuff is still made right here. Philly has a great manufacturing legacy. We've got this huge flag on the wall. Anyone who's seen my social media content has probably seen that as our backdrop. Being Philly guys, we do things a little bit differently. We didn't look that up on Amazon and find a made in USA flag. We walked 3 blocks down the road to a flag and banner factory where they've made flags since the 1850s. They got their start making covered wagon Conestoga tarps.
Crazy.
People settled out in St. Louis, man. They were probably riding in one of those.
But that's how you support local. This is why we need more of this. We need more people getting into the industry, saying intentionally, I'm going to be in this city and I'm going to stay in this city and I'm going to bring all of the work to here and we're going to send it to the world. Sticking to your roots.
I got to set the record straight, Drew, because I'll probably be called out. I'm not a Philly guy. I wasn't born here, from North Carolina. This has been home for the last 8 years. It's a spot that I fell in love with, choosing to invest in. I think it's got the right energy for manufacturing. I don't know, Drew, you've been here for a few days.
I'm stuck, you know. We got some stuff coming.
I think we're just embracing now the Philly philosopher, Jason Kelsey. Nobody likes us, we don't care. We're here making parts, supporting our customers, and we think that's the recipe that'll help us win at the end of the day.
So, real quick, and if you're cool with sharing it, what would you tell them about this shop right here in Philly that they need to rock with you?
Man,
what is setting y'all apart?
That's hard to say. We've been operational for 5 months. We've been lucky to find some believers that have trust in our capabilities, that have given us a shot. Projects have been successful, some have not. We've stumbled, we've done our fair share of 2 steps forward, 3 steps back some days. There's some growing pains. But I think just having a willingness to share the story, share the vision, articulate, we've chosen different systems and technologies to support long-term success is where we've opened doors, found some RFP, landed some orders, and it's just starting to snowball from there. So we haven't proven anything yet. It's still early here. We're excited and we love being in that space and we love being here and doing it in Southwest Philly.
And they're ready to do more. So tap in wherever you are. Definitely if you're in Philly, but wherever you are, tap in with Matt. Let's see what they can do for you. And I also say this, I've seen a lot of the homie technology in here. Shout out to Pro Shop. I would come holler at him. He's a good dude to have on the podcast and talk about how this technology is helping them win quotes, helping them do better, helping them do big data. I saw it all over the computer screens when I walked in, and I said, oh, that's why you're winning. You know what I'm saying? But that's what's up. Thank you, Matt. Thank you for letting me in here. Thank you for sharing, dog. And Philly to the moon, baby. Moonshot.